Hello everyone, welcome to math class. Today I am going to discuss chapter 15, Visualizing Solid Shapes. If we go ahead with the chapter name, the meaning of visualizing and shapes are known to us. Now the question is, what is the meaning of solid? That is, what is the definition of solid? The definition is, in geometry, the shapes or figure that has three dimensions are known as solid or three-dimensional shape. Here, three dimension, that is length, breadth and height. Now we will learn about various type of solid. Number 1, prism. So what is the definition of prism? A prism is a solid formed by joining two congruent plane shapes together with straight line. If you observe the examples very carefully, you can see the base and the top are two congruent rectangle, and they are connected by the heights. There are four heights, so these two congruent figure connected with the heights. So it is one kind of prism. Since the congruent plane or congruent faces are rectangle, so it is called rectangular prism, and similar for the others example. Number 2, pyramids. So what is the definition of pyramid? A pyramid is any three-dimensional solid where the upper surfaces are triangular and converge on one point. If we observe the examples, so in first one, in base there is one triangle, and in upper part there are three triangles and converge on one point. In second one, in base there is one rectangle, and in upper part there are four triangles and converge on one point. Since in first one the base is triangle, so it's called triangular pyramid, and in second one base is rectangle, so rectangular pyramid, and in third the base is pentagon, so pentagonal pyramid, and in fourth the base is hexagon, so hexagonal pyramid. So in this way you can give the name. One more thing, if we observe the figures, here number of vertices and number of faces are equal. So we can say that the number of vertices and faces in a pyramid are equal. Number 3, polyhedron. A polyhedron is a geometrical solid with faces and straight edges. So from the definition we can say that pyramid and prism are also polyhedrons. Example of some more polyhedrons are shown in the picture, and a polyhedron may be classified according to the number of its faces as shown in the picture. Number 4, other solids. There are some other solids figure which are not polyhedron, like sphere, cylinder, cone. These are the example of solid which are not polyhedrons. Next concept is Euler's formula. So what is Euler's formula? The Euler's formula is F plus V minus E equal to 2, where F equal to number of faces, V equal to number of vertices, equal to number of edges. Every polyhedron satisfied the Euler's formula. And conversely, we can say that if any solid satisfied the Euler's formula, then we can say that the solid is a polyhedron. If we consider a cuboid, then in a cuboid, number of faces equal to 6, number of vertices equal to 8, and number of edges equal to 12. Therefore f plus v minus e equal to 6 plus 8 minus 12. That means 6 plus 8, 14 minus 12 equal to 2. Therefore, the cuboid satisfied the Euler's formula. The last one is net of solid. So what is net of solid? A net of solid is the outline of its faces joined together from which a model of the solid can be made. Nets of some of the solids figure are shown in the picture. So if you observe carefully, then we can see the first one, cuboid written. So it is a net of cuboid. If we fold it in proper way, then we will get a cuboid, or we can make a cuboid by the first net. And similar for second one. You can try practically. First you take a piece of paper and cut it accordingly as soon as the picture, then fold it in proper way. In this way you can make the model of the given solids.